NotebookLM is easily one of the smartest research assistants I've ever used. It summarizes complex documents in seconds and even generates slide outlines. It's quite brilliant. But let's be honest, its design skills, they leave a lot to be desired. And the biggest frustration is that when you export those slides, usually flat images exported as a PDF. All your brilliant insights are trapped. You can't edit the text, you can't change the fonts, and you can't apply your own branding inside PowerPoint without retyping everything. Well, that's until today. I found the magic bridge. I'm going to show you how to take those static NotebookLM slides and turn them into fully editable PowerPoint presentations using a secret AI weapon inside Canva. Let's dive in. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, we help you work smarter using the latest AI tools. Today, our workflow involves 3 players. Number 1, NotebookLM for the initial research and initial slide generation. Number 2, Canva for the AI magic trick. And finally, PowerPoint for the final presentation. Now, quick disclaimer. To use the specific AI feature we need today, you will need a Canva Pro account. If you don't have one, you can usually snag a free 30-day trial to test this out. A link is in the description below. Okay, so right here, I am inside NotebookLM. And these are some sources I had loaded up for a project I was working on, or rather, some research I was doing on the new power unit coming into F1 this year. So this includes a PDF, some YouTube videos, I believe. Yeah, some YouTube videos and some blogs. Now, I requested it to make some slides by just clicking the slide deck over here, and it generated a slide deck here. When I click that, it is going to load the slide deck, and this is a slide deck. It has a number of slides. So we have a combination of both images and text. Now, the first thing we do is download the slide deck. So I'm just going to click the 3 dots and choose download. So this is going to download. Once that is downloaded, the next step, we head on over to Canva. So this is my Canva homepage. You can choose to upload this manually, but I just find it easier to just drag the document. So I'm just going to drag the document over to Canva. And once that is done uploading, I'm just going to open it. So right here, we have our document. It has a couple of slides. So that is 15, yeah, around 15 slides, combination of both information and some diagrams generated by NotebookLM. When I want to edit this document, I'll just click, and as you can see, I'm moving the whole slide deck. So Control Z. Maybe I wanna change the text, maybe change the title, move around a few things, maybe change the branding and whatever else we might want to do. So I'm going to click on this image and head on over to edit. It loads a side panel on the left, and under Magic Studio, I'm just going to scroll a bit until I see grab text. So this is our magic tool that is going to help us make the slides editable per se. So I'll just click on grab text. Now right here we have 2 options. You can use click or all text. I'll start with all text because it's able to recognize all the text that is on the slide deck, and click on grab. It takes a couple of seconds, but once it's done, we have editable text. So I'm able to maybe just say delete that. You can add text, you can remove text, and it does quite a good job in recognizing the text that is on the slide deck. So even the text that is down below, you're able to maybe change the font. You can say robot condensed. Yeah, you can change the font, you can delete text. So that's a really cool feature. Now I want us to try the next slide. On this next slide, we'll do the same. Just click on the slide, click on edit, head on over to grab text. And this time, I want us to note something. It loads what it recognizes as text. So when I choose all text, it's going to highlight all that. And when I say grab, watch out to what happens to the logos. So the Ford and the Honda logo, they sort of like look messed up. This is because they were recognized as text. So I'm going to Control Z. There are some situations where you don't need to use all text. You can individually choose the text that you want to customize. So click the image, edit, Magic Studio, then grab text. So instead of doing all text, we do click. And by clicking, we'll click on this, this, this. Say we want to change this as well, and maybe that. So we make sure, we might also want to change the footnote. We make sure that we don't select this so that it's not altered. I'll click grab. And once this is done, only the sections that we clicked will be recognized as text and will be editable. So you can get in here, say maybe you just want to delete that and change something inside here, change something inside here. But as for the logos, they were not touched. So once you're finished grabbing your text and making the necessary changes, it's time to download this as a PowerPoint. So we'll head on over to share, and just down here, we'll click see all and Microsoft PowerPoint. I don't want to do everything since I only changed 2 slides. I can do just deselect all, maybe page 1 and 2. So I'll do those and click on download. Now, when we download this, as you can see, it's a pptx. So I'll just save this in the downloads. Once it's done, I'll click on it to open. Now it opens our PowerPoint since we downloaded it as a pptx. And inside PowerPoint, we can also make the necessary changes. We can change this. Now we didn't touch this image, but in the next slides, we can change the text. We can change this text. We can change this text, and we can change this text. So now you can customize your document as you wish inside of PowerPoint from NotebookLM, just that you're using Canva as a middleman. Well, there you go. You now have a native PowerPoint file with all that brilliant NotebookLM research ready for your final design touches. No manual retyping here. If this workflow hack saved you time, please give this video a thumbs up. Really helps the channel out, and subscribe if you want more practical AI tutorials just like this one. Go create something awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.